Hope you're having a great day. I want to talk to you about affixes today. Okay, so you be prepared when you do your study island work. Affixes sounds funny, sounds scary. You might forget about it, but remember, affixes is just a big funny word for the prefix of a word or the suffix of a word. Remember, pre means before. Okay, the prefix, it comes before the word. So, suffix comes after the word. What's the word? Well, it's our root word. Okay, our root word is our word before we change it at all. So let's look at this example. Okay, so my root word is accept. My word is accept before I do anything to it. It has one meaning. Okay, but if I put a prefix on it, it changes, right? If I put a suffix on it, unacceptable. What's the prefix un mean? Remember, it means not, right? It's not acceptable, okay? I'm not changing that root word. I'm just adding a prefix or I'm adding a suffix. Let's do some examples. I need a smaller board, you guys. Really what I need is to come back to work, to come back to school so we don't have to do this, right? And I can use my big fancy board or my TV like we always do. Okay, so let me write down some examples and we'll talk about them. I hope you guys are having a really fun time. I know it's boring staying at home, but we're doing what is best so that we can all stay safe, right? At least we have the internet. When I was your age, we did not have the internet. We would have been really bored. Okay. So remember, what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to tell me what is the root word before I did anything to change it. Okay? So in my first column, I have words that I've added prefixes to. Okay? So the word unhappy. My root word is happy, right? Before I do anything to change it, my root word is happy. But if I add the prefix un and say unhappy, what do I mean? Not happy. Totally changes the meaning, right? Not happy. If I use disagree, okay, if I say agree, my base word is agree, says, yeah, we get along, we agree on this. But if I add dis, if I add the prefix dis, it means to not agree, right? To not agree. So it changes the meaning. Okay, so my root word is spell. If I add the prefix misspell, what does that mean? It means to not spell, right? I've spelled it wrong. Okay? What if I say write? If I write my name. But if I add the prefix re, what does that prefix re mean? These three mean not, but this one, to rewrite, means to do it again, right? To write it again. Okay, let's look at suffixes. Let's use the word care. Okay, my word is care, my root word is care. But if I add the suffix ful, careful, it means to pay attention, right? Changes that meaning. I can't read upside down. What's up? Pain. Okay. My root word is pain. Pain. We know what that means. It hurts. But if I add less, if I add the suffix less, pain less, that means it doesn't hurt. So it changes that meaning totally. My root word is dark. If I add the suffix ness, I'm just telling you the darkness. So not just saying, hey, it's dark. I'm saying darkness. So it covers a bigger area. And then my last one is teach. Okay, so if Miss Jones is teaching you right now, I go to school to teach. But if I add that ER, now it becomes a person, a teacher. Instead of just to teach, now I'm a teacher. Okay, so remember, prefixes and suffixes, those are our affixes. When you see affixes and roots, that's all it means is, what's the prefix? What's the suffix? What's the root word? Okay, so you guys can do this. I know you can. I'm proud of you. I love you. And I will see you in the next, ooh, why did that get so bright? I don't know. I'll see you in the next lesson. It doesn't want to turn off.